Good morning, World Wide Web. It's your boy, Marlon O Bennett, the original student of the game of internet marketing. Yep, I'm that guy that's always in this place where I'm ready, willing, capable, and able of learning things I never knew, and I'm always sharing them with future internet marketing students, with the emphasis being on future and students, guys, because I know that if you stay into this game long enough, guys, you're going to fall in love with it. And when you fall in love with it, you're going to find your own personal path to creating the lifestyle that you want to live, right? By immersing yourself in internet marketing training. If you're watching this video, it's because it's Tuesday. And if it's Tuesday, it's a training day Tuesday, guys. And if it's a training day Tuesday, we're talking about the bare essentials of email marketing. Okay. In the last, or should I say the first three installments of the bare essentials of email marketing in my training day Tuesdays, guys, I talked about some cool statistics in terms of email marketing and how lucrative it can be. I talked about 7 reasons why you should be building your list, because that's the cornerstone of building an email marketing business. And in the last installment, I actually talked about products and services, because you have to have something to market and promote if you're going to have an email marketing business. Okay, so guys, let's talk about how you can actually, based on the videos that you've seen up to now, how you can actually set up your very own email marketing business right now today, guys, for less than a startup cost of $25, right? Startup, and then $15 a month after that, right? Just $25, right? I'm going to show you guys, and $15 a month with a product and a service that you can market and promote to the masses. Okay, so first let's talk about the hub, right? The base, your email marketing headquarters, right? This is that platform, right, that actually enables you to launch your email marketing business. In this particular instance, I'm talking about the Get Response, right? That platform. If you look up here to the right, you'll see it says your all-in-one online marketing platform to grow your business. And then you'll see a few bullet points that talk about what you're able to do with Get Response. Now, in previous videos, you guys have heard me talking about autoresponders and capture pages and building lists, right? Well, when you have a platform like Get Response, Aweber, there are 1,001 of them out here, you could actually lay the foundation for what it is you're going to need to start building an email marketing business. Get Response, I really like it a lot. I'm loving it because there are, unlike Aweber, there are you can do more, right, in terms of your level of creativity. And we'll talk a little bit more about that in some videos that I'm going to be doing. But if you look right down here, guys, you'll see over 300,000 people, or 350,000 to be exact, people, right, and it's probably growing all the time, are using Get Response in their email marketing, right? They're using it as that hub, that headquarters, right, to lay that foundation as a platform to build and grow their email marketing businesses, right? And so it comes highly recommended. Now, I told you guys I was going to talk about how you can actually start your own email marketing business today for $25, right, to get started. And for less, or should I say, for right around $15 a month, right? $15 a month. And I'm going to tell you why I'm talking about the $25, because I'm talking about a product or a service. And the reason I'm using the $25 because I'm going to show you guys a product that you can use to incorporate into the email marketing campaign that you can actually set up right now today. Now, here's the cool thing. For anybody, right, all my aspiring email marketers who actually sets up their Get Response account today, guys, I'm going to give you, right, I'm going to give you 30 email marketing. I'm going to give you a swipe copy with 30 email marketing newsletters inside. When what that means is, if you set up your Get Response account today, I will give you 30 emails that you can load into your email to that Get Response account. Now, these emails, they were given to me, guys, right, by a 7-figure earner for sitting in on a webinar one night. You'll find out who this guy is when and if you set up your Get Response account. But the point is, you'll be able to go inside, use the product that I'm talking to you about, and simply use the link in those emails to direct to the product that I'm going to introduce you to. Thus, you can actually have an email marketing business set up literally, right, within the next 20 minutes, and you can begin your email marketing journey. Okay, so guys, what we're going to do is I'm going to jump over here real quick and talk about, I did this in another video the other day. I talked about some free capture page creation software, right? I talked about some free capture page creation software. Now, the capture page you're looking at right now is a capture page that I actually built within the Get Response platform. Okay, now you will have that option. You don't have to check out the free capture page creation software that I'm going to show you, because you'll have inside of your Get Response account done for you templates that you simply go in and alter, right? With the click of your mouse, you just go inside of these done for you templates and you make them say whatever you want them to say. You redirect them to wherever you want them to redirect to. And we're going to be doing some videos about that, because it's a learning curve, but it's very small. Again, the templates are set up for you. You basically go in here if you want to do a video capture page, as you can see I have right here. You know what I mean? You will have that kind of latitude in terms of the creativity that's afforded to you inside of Get Response. But in this video, I was talking about some free capture page creation software because I wanted you guys to see this, because I thought it was pretty cool. And I'm pretty sure, I'm going to check it, you can integrate these capture pages into the Get Response platform. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click over there to show you that free capture page creation software. It's called the Lead Capture Page Boss, right? Now, as you can see, guys, there's zero that you're paying for the primer. And with the primer, you're able to create all kinds of cool capture pages. I did the video on it. Hopefully, maybe you guys haven't been on it. I'll leave this page in the YouTube video description area. But what's happening here, guys, is if you want to, get a little more creative than the pages that you afforded inside of Get Response, then you can use some free lead capture page software like the Lead Capture Page Boss to go in and simply create some capture pages, whatever you want to. I'm going to go over here to some of the example pages, and you guys get to see, right, what some of them look like. And I will tell you, there are some beautiful pages inside of it, guys. You know what I mean? And guys, go on and check it out, because I'm going to leave the link in the YouTube video description. Right? Go over here and just check out some of the different options you have just in terms of creating your own capture pages. And you're going to want to create your own capture pages at some point in time, because again, it's going to afford you a level of creativity that allows you and enables you to inject your own personal signature into your marketing. But you can see you have all kinds of capture pages right here. I actually did one, and I actually had it. Let me see, system features, benefits, home. I actually had one that I put in, and I really liked it. I actually did one with a video, with the video capture page. So I'm going to leave this in the YouTube video description there, and you guys will be able to look, check it out, right? You may already have your own autoresponder, or you may, like Get Response or Aweber. And so this will just give you an opportunity to expand on your capture page creation based on the done for you templates, just like the ones you'll find in Get Response, that you simply go in and you alter and edit those capture pages based on what it is you're trying to do, right? So now that you know that, right? Now that you know, now let's jump back for a second, guys, 'cause I want to talk about this a little bit more. Let's talk about this a little bit more. Now, most of the major lead capture page software, right? You know what I'm saying? Capture, you got 1,001 of those out here too. They know they are, you can take them and you can incorporate them into your, like Get Response. You can incorporate that into your Get Response autoresponder, right? They have what's known as API keys. I'll probably do some videos on that, where you can simply take the capture page and so that it redirects to the list you're building inside of GetResponse. And I'm definitely going to be doing videos on that because I'm going to actually show you guys how to set up your first list inside of GetResponse, right? It's very simple. I'm going to go through that, right? Now that you know that you can get response and be able to accrue up to 1,000 subscribers for $15 a month, right? $15 a month is what it will, you can get up to 1,000 subscribers coming onto the list that you're building for $15 a month. Now, the reason I say you can start a business for $25 and then less than $15 a month, because it costs $15 a month to have GetResponse. So you need a product, right? Or a service. You need something to market. Maybe you already have one, but this is where you guys have heard me talking 1,000 times, right, about the SMS phone lead system. So if you don't have a product, here's a cool little product you can promote to earn not only $20 commissions, guys, but there's a bump in here that will actually enable you to earn $30 showing people, introducing people to the SMS phone lead system. So once you have your GetResponse account all set up and the 30 emails that I'm going to actually give you, you can simply take this, right, to incorporate into your email marketing campaign to start a business right now today, an email marketing business right now today, right, using the SMS phone lead system. Lots of products and services all over the World Wide Web. You may not want to use the SMS phone lead system. I'm just telling you that if you're thinking about starting your own email marketing business, guys, you can get response, right? $15 a month. Then you can get the SMS phone lead system, and then you can start your own email marketing business right now today, right? Just that simple, not very complicated. And not to mention the 30 emails I'm going to give you. Now, let me talk a little bit more about that before I close this video out on this Training Day Tuesday. These emails, guys, are based on what one of my mentors who gave me these emails for sitting in on the webinar, he had them done professionally for him before he became a seven-figure earner, right? And I want to say that he paid somewhere, I don't know, he might have paid $3,000 for them because they're professionally written emails. A lot of sales psychology built into the emails themselves. And for you guys who do this, you're going to see that. And so what you want to do when you have these emails is just tailor them, right? So they fit you. You don't have to do a lot in terms of editing the emails, right? Because they're general emails based on psychology, a lot of sales psychology built into the emails. Any product or services can be actually built into the emails. So I want you guys to make sure you keep that in mind. So for all my aspiring email marketers, guys, the day's the day, right? And if it's not, the day's not the day, it doesn't matter. Stay plugged into the channel, guys, because we're just going to keep moving forward. But for all you guys have been thinking about email marketing, you've been wondering how it works, you've been following along in the YouTube video series, then this is it in a nutshell. It doesn't get much more simpler than that, guys. You can build a list, you can build a list, a business, right? If you have a platform like GetResponse or Aweber, then you can automate your entire business, okay? You can build a list of people interested in your products and services, right? Via traffic, which we're going to be talking more about. And you can go out and automate that entire process. You have the product and the services. You have the platform for being able to collect the names and email addresses of your potential prospects via capture pages. Everything that it is you need. Now, guys, it's up to you, right, to flip the switch, make the decision in terms of whether email marketing is going to be what you want to do. It may not be, but for all you guys who want to get into email marketing, I just laid it out to you as simple as I possibly can. And I'm going to challenge you guys, right, to get in where you fit in, right, and start that process right now today, guys. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with the very first step. And hopefully in today's Training Day Tuesday, I've laid it all out for you so you guys can understand. This is a great place to get inside, immerse yourself in the actual platform, the tools, the techniques, the strategies that you're going to have at your fingertips at the click of a mouse and get started today, right? Anyway, that's my time, guys. I got lots of videos coming up. Stay plugged into the channel. If this make any sense to you, give me a thumbs up, guys, and share this with somebody who's cool with you, right? Anyway, I got to get out of here, guys. The sun is shining. I got thousands of more videos to shoot. and thousands of miles to go before I sleep. As always, this is your boy, Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. If you got questions about anything, guys, go ahead and reach out. I don't bite. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.